Buksan po natin ating Biblia sa Matthew chapter 22, verses 1 to 14. Verse 1. And Jesus answered and spoke to them again by parable and said, "The kingdom of heaven is like a certain king who arranged a marriage for his son, and sent out his servant to call those who were invited to the wedding, and they were not willing to come. Again, he sent out other servants, saying, 'Tell those who are invited, see, I have prepared my dinner, my oxen and fatted cattle are killed, and all things are ready. Come to the wedding.' But they made light of it, and went their ways, one to his own farm, another to his business. And the rest seized his servants and treated them spitefully and killed them. But when the king heard about it, he was furious, and he sent out his armies to destroy those murderers and burned up their city. Then he said to his servants, 'The wedding is ready, but those who were invited were not worthy. Therefore, go to the highways, and as many as you find, invite to the wedding.' So those servants went out into the highways and gathered together all whom they found, both bad and good, and the wedding hall was filled with guests. But when the king came to see the guests, he saw a man there who did not have on a wedding garment, and he said to him, 'Friend, how did you come in here without a wedding garment?' And he was speechless. Then the king said to the servants, 'Bind him hand and foot, take him away and cast him into the outer darkness. There will be weeping and gnashing of teeth, for many are called, but few are chosen.'" So ang parable na to ay para sa mga Hudyo, pero may leksyon din ito para sa atin. Ang kaligtasan ay kinumpira sa isang kasalan. Ang ebanghelyo ay matustusan ang spiritual na gutom at uhaw natin. Mayroon kapatawaran at kapayapaan sa Diyos. Lahat na ito ay dahil sa pag-ibig ni Jesus. Dinamitan niya tayo ng kanyang katwiran at pinipresenta niya tayo sa Ama. Sabi nga sa 1 John chapter 4 verse 10, narito ang pag-ibig. Hindi sa tayo'y umiibig sa Diyos, kundi siya ang umibig sa atin at sinugo ang kanyang anak na pantubos sa ating mga kasalanan. Mapapansin natin sa parable na ito na may imbitasyon para sa lahat. Sinugo ng Diyos Ama ang mga alipin niya na lahat na inimbita at pumunta sa kanyang handaan. Walang makakasabi na ang kasalanan ng Diyos na hindi tayo ililigtas. Handa ang Diyos na patawarin ang ating mga kasalanan. Sa mga attenders dito, maaring kontento kayo na dumalo dito, umawit, manalangin at makihalubilo sa mga membro. Pero wala talagang kayo kay Kristo. Mapapansin natin na lahat na hindi nanampalataya kay Kristo ay mabubunyag din sa huling araw. Napansin ng hari sa verse 11, nakita niya ang isang tao na hindi nakadamit pangkasal, isang nagpanggap lamang na tao na buong akala niya kasama siya sa handaan. May sariling damit, nagtiwala sa kanyang katwiran at nung kinausap ng Ama ay tumahimik. Wala siyang maipagmalaki. Naging babala rin ito sa mga Pariseyo, Skriba at kay Judas. Sa hindi tumanggap ng ebanghelyo, hindi kayo magkakaroon ng buhay na walang hanggang. Hindi sapat nandito kayo nakasama namin. Dapat may pagsisisi, pananampalataya at kabanalan sa buhay.